right, let's go. Ready, and 2200 milliamp. Guys. All right, we are back with the monster Viggen, just like yesterday, but less rain. I'm going to just burn up 2 battery packs real quick. I am going to do less talking because I rewatched my video yesterday and that was a little too much. So I would rather just hear this thing go and watch the flight. I'm gonna enjoy it more. I think you will too. I fixed the wire. Wire was melted inside yesterday. That was why it was down on thrust and not working very well. So let me just check the control surfaces. Yep, we're good. All right, let's get a good flight in. Do some aerobatics, hopefully have more thrust. That'd be awesome. Oh yeah. Enjoy the flight. It's like it's thrust vectored. It literally flies like it has thrust vectoring. A little bit of a weird noise. Something's in the exhaust. Maybe like a piece of glue string or something that's making like a... I'm gonna bring it in. Oh, that was rough. I hope I didn't knock my... that was my fault. I think I knocked my hand holder off. No, I didn't. Well, just, oh, a little bit, a little chunk off the back. Little tiny chunk. Okay guys, GoPro is dying. I literally can can film for 15 minutes. I don't know if it's the weather, cheap Amazon GoPro knockoff batteries, but I'm gonna get one more just flying flight in for you guys, and less chattering. Okay, let's get another good silent flight, less talking. Whew. That was a little bit nose down. Made it a little bit nose heavy by accident with the battery placement. Look at that. Uh-oh. Battery. That was rough. Battery's dead. I killed that guy. I ran that way too low. That was my fault. I really hope I didn't ruin this plane. At the strength. Wow. It's not broken. It is not broken. Well, all right, guys. I hope you enjoyed my, it's got a lot of snow on it. I hope you enjoyed my flights. This was a lot of fun doing this. The free wing 90mm is highly recommended. No, nothing broke. Nothing broke. That was a, I would say like a 25-degree just plop down smash into the ground. That's crazy, but I need some better batteries. If you guys can send me some links to some really nice 6S, like 3500, 4000, 4500-ish, something that's gonna last me a little bit longer and give me some more punch. These are like the cheap, the really crappy Amazon batteries. You guys have seen these, I'm sure. These crappy HRBs. I mean, it works. It's still a 6S. It still has a lot of power, but it's not that great. I know you guys have better batteries. So yeah, let me know about that, and hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.